Welcome to the MindTap for your course. MindTap personal learning experiences include great resources such as interactive modules, online assignments, and study tools, all in one place. First, let's get you familiar with the dashboard. All MindTap courses have a similar look to what you see here. The learning path, for example, is a standard feature. Each course will have unique content and exercises. Icons at the top of the path provide two ways to view your course content. The default view is an outline which shows all the activities and assignments for your entire course. All materials for a module are listed, and you can drill down for the associated readings and assignments. The second option is the week view, which presents an at-a-glance view of that week's assignments and activities. Another important standard feature is on the right side of the dashboard and is called the application dock. It's loaded with resources that help you succeed in your course. For example, the Full Book app gives you side-by-side access to the complete course ebook. Another app, Flashcards, provides a set of cards you can use to quiz yourself on key terms from the unit. Select Flip Card to see the definition of the term. The Create a Card function lets you add terms to the deck that you feel you need extra practice with. There's also a Progress app that shows your recent activity scores and where you stand at any given moment. Those are just a few of the resources available in the app dock. You should familiarize yourself with all the apps and decide which ones work best for you. Now let's go back to the learning path so we can look at one of the interface's powerful self-study tools, the MindTap Reader. When you're doing a reading activity, you'll find MindTap Reader provides a number of features that allow you to personalize your learning experience. When you select content you feel is important, an on-screen menu pops up. You can highlight the information in your preferred color. Speaking of highlights, pay special attention to anything pre-marked in orange, because that's a highlight or a note shared by your instructor. Returning to the drop-down menu, notice the Add Note option. You can use this function to insert a note to yourself anywhere in the reading. All of your and your instructor's highlights and notes will save to the Study Hub app for you to review before your next exam. A really handy feature of Study Hub is that you can use the arrow by the entry to jump back to the place in the text where the note or highlight was inserted. While we're on the topic of study tools, notice that the MindTap Reader menu also has an Add Flashcard option. It conveniently launches the Create a Card function you saw earlier when we featured the Flashcard app. And finally, the Read Text menu item, like the Read Speak icon at the top of the page, provides the option to have the content read aloud.
Every computer and device has an operating system.
All this functionality makes the MindTap Reader a powerful self-study resource. Now let's return to the home page and look at two functions on the drop-down menu in the upper right, FAQs and Customer Support. If you have a question or an issue while working through your course, you can start by checking the list of frequently asked questions. If you can't resolve the issue with the help of the FAQs, select the Customer Support option. A form for reporting your problem will open in a new browser window. Fill out the form and someone from Customer Support will get back to you. You exit the Customer Support function by closing the browser window. That's a quick look at some of the many features of the MindTap dashboard. You can check out the resources in the Welcome to Your Course section for more information about the other activities in this MindTap. One last thing, don't forget to download the free MindTap mobile app for access to flashcards, practice quizzes, and the MindTap Reader, even when offline, so you can study any place, anytime.